stage 2, the Plumber. Boys dropping in. Rob's got plenty of horsepower in the leg. Oh, it's already dust and I even gave them a gap. Sharp corners here. Oh, a lot of people have been riding there, some ruts forming. Just try and stay out of the dust. Come on, keep the momentum here. Try and stay high here. Down the steps. Right, faster section coming up. Sharp right hand. Sharp left hand. Oof, that was a bit loose. Getting powdery now. Lots of riders practicing. And then we're coming almost into the rock garden now. Into the rock garden. Try and stick on your line here. And into the second half of the trail. Navigate your way here. Oh my word. Slice that rock and went off course. Trying to get clipped in here is not ideal. I think I'm clipped in. No, I'm not. There we go. Right, sharp corners coming up. Got to navigate your way down there. I'm gonna go around here because I think you carry more speed. It's getting gnarly. Up and down the drop. Not in the right gear, yeah. And that's it.